So today I'm going to be doing a Christmas eyes and lips makeup tutorial. So this is probably going to be going up the day before Christmas. I know I usually post on Friday, but as Christmas is on Friday, I want to give you guys this like a day ahead. So let's go ahead and get started filming. The first thing I want to use is the Bare Minerals Stay Golden eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take a Moda M19 and I'm going to take a little bit of that and just put it on my eyelids. This is a pretty pigmented one, so you really don't need a whole lot of it. Like, I just put one coat and I think that's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and stick the top back on that, being that it's a loose powder and I don't want to spill it. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take a blending brush. And I'm just going to take a little bit of cola, just the smallest amount, and just blend that out on the very edge. Using very little of it, just enough to blend. Next up, I'm going to take a smudger brush and I'm going to take cola again and run it under my eyes halfway. Then I'm going to take a slanted Luxie brush and I'm going to take Boo and use that to highlight. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. So I'm going to be using the Marcella Extension Plus Curl Mascara. So I feel like I want my lashes more curled. So I'm going to grab my eyelash curler that I have laying over there. And I'm just going to curl the top lashes. Trying not to pinch myself. So now for the lips. Because it's a Christmas tutorial, I'm going to be using the Zoella ColourPop in Soft Love Club. So I'm just going to be putting this on my lips. Alright, so this, you guys, is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm sorry if my voice sounds weird. I can't tell if it does or not. This ear kind of sounds like I'm underwater right now, so I think my allergies are just getting to me. But anyways, hopefully that's not like coming through too much. And if you guys did enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment below. And I will see you guys later. And have a Merry Merry Christmas. Bye guys!